Hello, good morning. This is Ravi Shankar, Botany faculty. I had 20 years experience in teaching. This is going to be a 21st year of experience in my career. So I'm going to take one topic, that is ribosomes. Ribosomes. This is one of the important ribosomes. This is one of the important cell organelle. This is one of the important cell organelle. Yes, ribosomes discovered by George Pallade. Ribosomes discovered by George Pallade in the year 1950. In the year 1950. Therefore, these ribosomes are otherwise called Pallade granules. These ribosomes are otherwise called Pallade granules. Ribosomes are smallest amembranous, means non-membranous. Amembranous means non-membranous cell organelles found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Found in both the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Therefore, these ribosomes are otherwise called universal cell organelles. Universal cell organelles. Based on the density or sedimentation coefficient, these ribosomes can be categorized into two types based on density or sedimentation coefficient. These ribosomes can be categorized into two types based on this. One is 70S type of ribosomes, the other one will be 80S type of ribosomes. 70S type of ribosomes, the other one will be 80S type of ribosomes. These 70S type of ribosomes are present in both, that means prokaryotic cells and as well as eukaryotic cell organelles. Eukaryotic cell organelles. Such as there is eukaryotic cell organelles such as plastids, chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, plastids, and as well as mitochondria, In these two cell organelles, in eukaryotic cell organelles, the 70S type of ribosomes are present. That's why 70S type of ribosomes are present in both the cells. like prokaryotic cells and as well as eukaryotic cell organelles such as plastids and mitochondria. So that's why 70s type of ribosomes are present in both. Both we can write. They're present in both. But 80s type of ribosomes are present only in eukaryotic cells. These are present only in eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. They are present only in eukaryotic cells. Such as, what are eukaryotic cells? They are plants, plant cells and animal cells. Plant cells and animal cells. So, in eukaryotic cells, only the ATS type of ribosomes are present. ATS type of ribosomes are present. ATS type of ribosomes are present. Right? Next, the chemical composition of